Hi, millions of sewing machine users face a real problem: the lack of sewing machine technicians to care for their machines. Approximately 90 million sewing machines need to be serviced every year. Today, the average time to get it serviced is about 6 weeks, but I hear stories of people having to wait 4, 5, even 6 months just to get their sewing machine serviced so that they can work on their favorite projects. The fact is, we need more capable sewing machine technicians. Our mission at Sewing Machines Institute is to train sewing machine technicians for factories, service centers, new profitable businesses of their own, and for the hobbyist. So learn sewing machine repair for fun and profit at sewingmachinesinstitute.com.